Okay, now let's discuss normal probability distribution. So, ito lang yung klase ng distribution na i-discuss natin kasi usually ang nire-require ng karamihan ng statistical analysis is usually normal distribution yung dataset mo. At the same time, mas madali mag-compute ng mga bagay-bagay when your data is normally distributed. Okay, so we now first discuss ano si probability distribution and why do we need them. So probability distribution is i-describe nito what will probably happen. So from the word probable. Okay? Yung keyword na probable is ano ang posibleng mangyari. Okay? Instead of ano yung actual na mangyayari. Okay? Since usually your data will be used for forecasting or prediction, you will be predicting what will probably happen in the future as basis for many decisions, like, including business decisions or insurance or other real life situations na may possibility or tinag-assign tayo ng probability o proga na mga posibleng outcome ng mga iba-ibang sitwasyon at anong pwedeng maging resulta nito. Yeah. So parang yung concept ng probability is para maihanda tayo para sa isang bagay na pwedeng mangyari or likely mangyari so that you will be able to be ready or make some proactive actions. When you say proactive actions is hindi ka a-action pag malala na yung problema. It means like bago pa mangyari yung problema is uunahan mo na siya. So example nyo is you do scenario analysis. So you will have the worst case analysis, likely na pwedeng mangyari, and the best case scenario. Sa businesses, we also use that as an analysis because yung ginagalawan mo na ekonomiya is hindi mo kontrolado, biglang sumasama yung ekonomiya. Like example, with the COVID-19, we didn't really expect that na magkakaroon ng lockdown. So that's the worst case possible and karamihan ay nabigla. Okay, and then we have the sales forecasting. So also based on the data, your forecast is have that confidence in it. Kung gaano ka confidence forecast mo. So the other is risk evaluations. Okay, the same. Since we're talking about risk, we are talking about the probability that the risk will happen. Okay, or how intense the risk of these risks, especially for agriculture. You're always confronted with risks like risk from climate change, risk from extreme weather, or like the El Nino phenomenon, and those things that you can't control, so you just have to do something about risk evaluation so that hindi pag dumating siya o nangyari siya is hindi ganun kalala ang epekto. Another is also you do probabilities when you invest in stocks, so gumagalaw lagi yung presyo. Okay, another is the standardized test scores and other applications ng probability distributions like lifespans of consumable items. So sa lifespan ng consumable items is sometimes yung mga products like light bulb batteries, there are probabilities na nagkakaroon ng reject or there are probabilities that the lifespan ng inyong consumable items vary with each other. And when we are dealing with products like this, we want to control that hindi yung lifespan nila will not vary from each other or standard talaga siya. But now we will focus on the normal distribution. So normal distribution, ito ang mga attributes niya or properties or characteristics niya it is continuous. So ibig sabihin, when we graph them in a histogram, there's no spaces in between. Remember that the curve is smooth and connected with no gaps and no breaks. Symmetric in the sense na pag finold mo sa gitna, yung normal distribution o yung symmetric distribution or bell-shaped distribution na ito is the left side is exactly the same with the right side of the distribution of your data set. Kung saan ang line of symmetry mo is kung saan sila pag nagmi-meet na the same, exactly the or mirror images of themselves is sa mean. Ang pinaka-gitna kasi ng distribution nyo is x is equal to your mean, or the mu is your population mean. And here, ang ating normal distribution is unimodal. Ibig sabihin ng unimodal, iisa lang ang mode mo. Ano na nga bang ibig sabihin ng mode? Iisa lang yung observation mo na na-observe natin yung pinakamataas na frequency. And then, of course, ang isa sa kagandahan ng normal distribution is iisa lang yung value ng mean, median, at mode, or equal sila yung tatlo na to na measures ng center. Okay? Bell shape means, bakit sa bell shape? Kasi karamihan ng data set mo ay nasa gitna. Nagkukumpose sila papunta sa gitna. Okay? And then it tapers off evenly in both directions from the center. Okay? Determined by yung itong population na to, distribution, ay meron siyang dalawang population parameters when it is characterized with a population mean mu and population standard deviation sigma. Okay, so usually dito is yung area mo sa lahat under this bell-shaped distribution, okay, is that ang area na to is equal to 1 or 100%. So, ang space mo, ang sum of probabilities ng lahat ng sum of probabilities ng lahat ng outcomes sa sum-small space, this one, the space inside the bell-shaped distribution is that it's equal to 1, or 1 only means it's 100%. So, ibig sabihin, if meron tayong variable dito, which is x, okay, pwede mong i-measure yun kung saan sasabihin natin that your x variable is isang quantity na may sariling that follows a normal distribution at x follows a normal distribution with mean mu and standard deviation as sigma. Okay.